I wanted to share with you an easy pasta that you can do during the weeknight, a quick, friendly meal that you can do with, no fuss, no muss. I'm using thin linguine. I used half water, half chicken broth, some seasoning, just to add a little flavor to the pasta. And then I'm going to, while that's cooking, cut up a whole shallot. I'm cutting it into, small little pieces. Do the best job you can. I'm not the best chopper, but I did the best job that I could with that. And then once you're done doing that, I added the half a stick of butter to the pan. And then I'm sauteing down the shallots. It's real simple. And then I'm going to add in the garlic. You can also use fresh garlic with this, but I like using that garlic because it's just easy and simple, and I keep it in the refrigerator and it's a good go-to. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of it. You can use more, you can use less, and then a can of tomato paste. And then I'm just combining that all together till it's like a solid mixture. This doesn't take that long. Once it looks something like this, then I just added a little more seasoning. I added some Italian seasoning, some onion powder, and some heavy whipping cream, about a half to 2/3 of a cup. Nothing too much, just to make a good sauce base. And then you mix that up, and then it'll look something like this. Kind of has like a little orangey color to it. And then you can add in some cheese. You can add a little pasta water if you wanted to. And then it should look something like this. And then that's your cheesy sauce that you will have. I added back in the pasta and mixed that up. You can eat it just like that, but I added a little shrimp to mine. So I just took my shrimp, cooked it with a little garlic, also seasoned it the same way I seasoned the pasta. And then I add a little shrimp and, put a little seasoning on that. Not shrimp, spinach. Put a little seasoning on that too. And this is how it came out, quick and easy.